Ready to teleport your Roblox account to a new location? Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head to the official Roblox website, roblox.com. Make sure you are logged into the Roblox account you want to change the location on. Once you're logged in, look for the small profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. It's usually a picture of your avatar. Click on it. Clicking the profile icon will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the Settings option. This will take you to the Account Info page. Ensure you're on the Personal tab, usually located on the left-hand side of the screen. If you aren't, click on Personal. Scroll down until you find the country setting. This might also appear as country of residence or something similar depending on your region. Click on the drop-down menu next to country. A list of countries will appear. Scroll through the list and select the country you want to associate with your Roblox account. After selecting the new country, you might see a confirmation window or a button to save the changes. If you do, make sure to click it to confirm your selection. Once you've confirmed, the page should automatically update to show your newly selected country. And that's it. You've successfully changed the location on your Roblox account. You are all set. Jump into your favorite games with your updated location. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tutorials.